Good morning, this is Stephen from Stephen Serven's, or Stephen Serven, Key Fob and Auto Lock. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about the LockTech smart lock decoder for basically residential smart locks like Schlage and Kwikset style. It's a really handy, cool tool. It's basically a little camera that's shaped like a key. Okay. And then it goes in the keyhole. Un momento, pardon me. Whoops. Put on my bifocals so I can see a little better. Okay, it goes in the keyhole. All right. As you can see, there's a screen over here on my iPad. And that's basically a software that you load in your phone. Something View. Okay. Then you have these charts that come with it. Okay. Like it's upside down, so you can see that this first one's a 9. I already put it down on there. A 9. You can see that pretty clearly because it's all the way up at the top. Okay. And then you have these cool spacers. That say what spot they are. This is 4. Okay. Oops, there it is. My bad. Awkward. Sorry, first couple times using it. Especially first time doing it on camera. Okay. And then on this one, when you look at it, you can see that it's a little farther down in the indicator area. So it looks more like hopefully you can all see the picture. If you look, it looks most... Oh, dude. No, buddy. No, get out of here. Come on. Go. Get out of here. Good boy. Okay, pardon me. Pardon me and my cat. Okay, so this is position 4. And then if you look at it, it looks most like a 6. A 6 over here, and a 6 over there. Okay. Then you put the next spacer on. Okay. Which is 3. Okay, and you put it in there. And then again, you take this chart and you look at the chart and you'll see that it's it's mostly like 3. or 2. Yeah, it looks mostly like a 2. Or at least that's what it coded up to when I did it. It's kind of weird with the spacers on it. So that's wafer 1. And I coded as 7 the first time. And that looked right. Yeah, so anyways, it coded as 7. And then pull it out to the next one. And it looks most like a 5. So that's basically how it works. It's just got a little optical camera and it goes up there. And you just pull it through the 5 wafers. And like I said, that's what I got off of it. This. We'll come over here. Okay. With the key. Go slag 5. Okay. So then we're going to enter in these numbers. Okay, so we're going to go 7, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2, 6, 9, 6, 9. Okay. And then kind of look at the key. And it looks about the same. So, although it's got those little clappies right, you know, in the middle there, where those are, it's just measuring and cutting where that plateau is in the center of that key cut, because that's where the wafer is going to sit. So, and there's side wafers on these locks, so they work differently than normal locks. So that's how it works, guys. And I hope you appreciate the video. I appreciate being able to do the video. Now we offer residential work for slag locks. I hope you all a blessed, wonderful day. Thank you for watching. If you watched all the way through, hang out. I'll make more videos. Subscribe, follow, like. It's all good. Thank you. Be blessed all.